Hi, for Module 2 Lab, Assistive Tools Review. I will demonstrate how to use a built-in text-to-speech feature in Mac. I just want to put up the volume just so you can hear it later. So to access this built-in text-to-speech feature, go to the System Preference, and here it is. You can either find it the upper left of the screen, which is the Apple symbol, and you can find a system preference, and then go to the dictation and speech, and for the text to speech, there's a system voice. You can either choose female or male. I prefer Alex because
most people recognize me by my voice.
Yep, his voice is very as he said, recognizable. I have heard his voice before in YouTube and some other videos I have watched before, and I think it's the most clear system voice out of 6 of them. And make sure to click on Speak Selected Text when the key is pressed. And then for you to get this feature, press on the option plus the ESC keys together simultaneously. All right, so let me all right, so this is one of my old research review. So I just want to go down. We can start with just the first sentence, and let's press on the option ESC keys.
A universal design for learning environment under teacher-developed lesson for K-12 students.
Cool. And then we can also do the whole entire thing. It might be a pretty long one, but here we go. I will press the same key, the option and ESC key at the same time.
A universal design for learning environment under teacher-developed lesson for K-12 students. The purpose of this study is to determine the effects of a universal design for learning, UDL, treatment and a comparison condition for teaching chemistry class to students with and without disabilities. The students are tested through a pre-test, post-test and delayed post-test after 4 weeks. This study will show the learning outcomes from the delayed post-test of students with and without disabilities and what UDL guidelines and checkpoints were operationalized for this research study.
All right, so that was really awesome. By the way, that was a research review that I also wrote about in an EDSE course. Just a side note. But yeah, that's how you do it, and it's pretty great. I'm not quite sure if it works also in the internet, if you need like an email, but let's check it out. Let's see. I'm currently in my email. Let's look at our instructor's email just to see if it would also work for emails. So let's see.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you are enjoying your Monday. We're in the home stretch.
All right, so I guess it also works through email, and that's really amazing. Again, I hope you have learned something through using a text-to-speech feature in Mac. Thanks.